Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. In our last video, we generated a number of search results as a CSV file, and what we're going to do now is use a Python tool that was built in part with, very much built with the help of Horst Jens, whose website you can see right here. I want to find out more about what he's offering. And let's go to the tool. So here is the application. I'm going to start it using Visual Studio Code, and this is Visual Studio Code 1.532. This is Python, and the application is running. I'm going to select the results I just generated, which is the Sony a6400. Again, I don't own that camera. I might never own it. I'm just doing some product research. And you can see I've got my URLs loaded here. And you'll notice right from the very beginning, we've got some strangeness. And this review 9 and review 5, well, let's take a look at that by opening in web browser. Okay, so it's April 30th. And we take a look at the other review, which is number 5, and this is April 30th as well. So what these guys are doing is that they are basically just swamping their web page with unnecessary things. So I'm going to set these as A, meaning A, I don't want to look at them. So I'm just going to select A, and you can see that they are all now set to true. So when I go to the site, when I go to these sites, I can sort by A, B, and C, and I know that these sites A, I don't want to look at. And let's take a look, see what else we've got. So we can see that Sony has quite a few sites as well. Let's see if we can take a look here. And now Sony has got a bunch of sites dedicated to the a6400. I'm not sure, I need to take a look at those. Let's see. This is a review. This is a review. This is a sales site, so I'm going to set these two pages to B because they're review sites. And finally, we get into some places where they're probably selling this camera. So Best Buy is a good chance. Amazon's a good chance. Okay, and we just go through and try and find sites that are more likely to have pricing, which is what I want, or the ability to buy the camera. And let's take a look. CNET, that's a review site. And we'll go here. So now I'm going to open all of these in my web browser. And these should give me some pricing information, hopefully. So there is Amazon, so it's coming in at $99.8. And this is a review site. So which one is that? That's DxOMark. So I'm going to go back, DxOMark, and add a comment here. The comment is review site, no pricing. And now you can see the review site, no pricing is included. We go back out to our web. I can close this. And what do we have for pricing? All right, so we have $898, which looks like it's the same as the Sony. And this, okay, it opened up the Ken Rockwell site twice. Ken Rockwell. All right, so Best Buy is coming at $9.99 and Amazon coming in at $9.98. So as far as the pricing is concerned, this one is coming in at $8.98. This one's coming at $9.98, $9.99, and $8.98. So with a little bit of work, we have now come up with some pricing, and I'm going to update these pages. This is Ken Rockwell. Which I'm having trouble finding. But now I can update the pages. Here it is, Ken Rockwell. So that's coming in at $8.98. And click on comment. And I can close this page. And Best Buy is coming in at $9.99. Best Buy is right here. $8.99. And $9.99, sorry. $9.99. Comment. And we can close that one. And Amazon is coming at $9.98. And I believe that's, and then what do we have here? This is DP Review, which says that they have it at $8.98. DP Review at $8.98. Comment. All right, so now I have my comments. I can go ahead and sort them, and I can send all of these out as an export to CSV. And it will give me an option here momentarily to save my results. All right, thanks for watching and happy computing.